how to export Asana Gantt chart. In this video, I'll show you how to export Asana Gantt chart. So to get started, go ahead and open asana.com into your preferred browser and then sign into your Asana account. So once you're in here, go ahead and head over into that specific project where you have a Gantt chart that you want to export. And then once you're on the project, go ahead and click on this timeline view and you'll be able to view your Gantt chart. Now, to be able to export this, you'll need to take a high resolution screenshot. Since Asana doesn't offer native PDF export for Gantt charts, the most reliable method is maximize your browser window, zoom out to fit the entire timeline, and use your system screenshot tool to take a screenshot of your Gantt chart. Since Asana doesn't allow you to download this as a PDF automatically. So with that screenshot, you can go ahead and export that as a PDF on your device. And that is how you can basically export Asana Gantt chart. Exporting a Gantt chart from Asana, also known as the timeline view, is a great way to share project timelines, present progress in meetings, or archive your plans. While Asana doesn't offer a direct button, there are several effective workarounds and techniques to get the job done. And one of that would be through taking a high resolution screenshot. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.